This hurricane has been deadly, and the storm is still on the move tonight across North Carolina, Virginia, as it moves right up the coast.
Hey guys, I hope everyone weathered the storm and is safe and sound. I know not everybody fared as well as we did. We actually did okay in the matter. As you can see, there's a lot of debris on the ground. Now the neighborhood itself didn't fare too well, but we were very lucky, very fortunate at our house. As you can see, like I said, just a lot of debris and whatnot. We're still with no power. No one has any power where we live, but you know, everybody's kind of working together, pulling together, and we're gonna get through this. Like I said, we did not get hit that hard compared to some places, you know, South Florida, you know, Panama City, Mexico Beach, Apalachicola, places like that really got hit hard, even Mariana. So if any of you guys are listening that live in those areas, sound off down in the comment section below. Let us know that you're safe. We will get back to our regular scheduled uploads, hopefully by maybe Monday or so. But I'm sure you guys understand. The main thing is everyone is safe.
Obviously, not everything fared so good. For the most part, we did pretty good around here. We just got some limbs down, a lot of debris. I think I showed you a little video earlier of it. It's pretty bad, but you know, we're getting it cleaned up. Poor old 1K Fox, man. Looks like it took a bad hit. I did not notice that until just now, actually. So, yeah, gonna have to get another windshield. But other than that, that looks like, you know, all the damage. This was already busted, so, or I don't know if it was busted, but it needed a new one anyway. This was a pretty bad storm, so I think we weathered it pretty well for the most part. I mean, but you can just see, like, just our entire yard was just covered in debris like this. I mean, everywhere. So we've done pretty good. We've got most of it out of the way. Got a couple big limbs still back over there that I have to cut, chop up, and put in the burn pile. But overall, pretty good, guys. We have fared pretty good. Anyway, obviously this will probably be the only video that you guys see until next week sometime, just because, you know, we have so much cleanup to do. If I get a chance, we'll get a video made this weekend. I really want to try to do the Mr. Fusion build for you guys, but as of right now, we got so much going on that I'm not sure if I'll get to it. I'm sure you guys understand, and I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody fared well in this storm and you weathered it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, cut this video short, and as always, thanks for watching.
Only today, when so many of the people who live here realize the true extent of the destruction, the devastation left behind by this historic hurricane. Never before have they endured a Category 4 hurricane, and keep in mind, this was nearly a Category 5. And tonight we have just landed after flying in a Black Hawk over the worst hit area, Mexico Beach. The moment you come upon that beach community from the air, you can see it. Homes wiped off the earth, some sitting in the middle of the street, buildings with their rooftops gone. And remember, that's right near where it made landfall, 155 miles per hour. And right here in Panama City tonight, much of the Jinx Middle School did not survive. 2 of the walls are completely gone tonight. And this evening, we are embedded with search and rescue teams as they now go door to door looking for people who might have tried to ride out this hurricane. Everywhere you look here, trees on top of homes. This hurricane has been deadly, and the storm is still on the move tonight across North Carolina, Virginia, as it moves right up the coast. But we're going to begin here tonight with what we witnessed just moments ago, flying over a decimated Mexico Beach. Tonight, this scene is unimaginable. The devastation on Mexico Beach as seen from above. Hurricane Michael making landfall at 155 miles per hour. And this is what a strong Category 4 hurricane will do.
It's almost impossible to describe the destruction from Hurricane Michael here on Mexico Beach. There are some buildings still standing, others are completely destroyed.
From the sky, nearly every building we fly over is damaged in some way. The rooftops blown right off of these homes. Entire blocks reduced to splintered piles of debris. This is all that remains of so many homes, with families still waiting to return.
You can see in so many places homes that have been simply swept away. Homes sitting in the middle of streets, clearly swept away by the storm surge.
And there is another view tonight from this drone flying over Mexico Beach. Entire rooftops blocking the streets. The sheer power of Michael, nearly a Category 5 hurricane, ravaging this coastline community.